Mobus, a symbol of modern, sustainable public transport in Bhubaneswar. But what happens when a service meant for convenience turns into a potential hazard on the roads? In the last year, a series of road accidents involving mobuses have raised serious safety concerns. Pedestrians, two-wheeler riders, and even other drivers have become victims of reckless driving and negligence. Today, we will investigate the accidents, their causes, the response from authorities, and what needs to be done to ensure public safety. What is Mobus? Launched in 2018, Mobus was an initiative under the Capital Region Urban Transport (CRUT), aimed at providing efficient public transportation in Bhubaneswar, Cuttack, and Puri. With modern buses, digital payments, and GPS tracking, Mobus was seen as a game changer. But in recent years, complaints about reckless driving, overcrowding, and accidents have raised concerns about its operations. The service is great, but sometimes the drivers speed too much. I've seen buses cutting lanes dangerously. The rising number of accidents. While minor accidents have been reported since its launch, the real shock came in late 2024 and early 2025. Here are some of the most concerning incidents. Case 1. The Tamando Overbridge Tragedy, Feb 2025. A Mobus reportedly speeding lost control and hit multiple vehicles, dragging a scooter for several meters. A woman lost her life, while her husband was critically injured. Case 2. The Raj Mahal Square Incident, Jan 2025. Multiple Mobuses were involved in a series of collisions, leading to several injuries and property damage. Case 3. Cuttack Road Chaos, Nov 2024. A Mobus reportedly jumped a traffic signal, crashing into an auto rickshaw, injuring 5 passengers. What's causing these accidents? So what exactly is causing these accidents? After reviewing reports, speaking with experts, and analyzing available data, we found some critical reasons. 1. Overspeeding and rash driving. Many reports indicate that Mobus drivers exceed speed limits, especially during non-peak hours. Some drivers reportedly skip red lights to maintain their schedules. 2. Poor driver training. Stressful work hours. With increasing demand, many drivers complain of long working hours and lack of proper rest, leading to fatigue-related errors. 3. Technical failures. Lack of maintenance. Some accidents have been attributed to brake failures and technical malfunctions. This raises concerns about whether regular maintenance checks are being conducted properly. 4. Poor traffic management. Lack of awareness. Many accidents occur due to poor traffic discipline by both bus drivers and other road users. Pedestrians, bikers, and even private vehicle drivers contribute to unsafe conditions. Government public response. After the recent spike in accidents, the Odisha High Court stepped in. In late 2024, the court criticized the Mobus management and ordered several corrective measures. Key directives from the Odisha High Court. Mandatory breathalyzer tests for all drivers daily. Strict speed monitoring with GPS tracking. More on-ground inspections of Mobus operations. Stronger penalties for rash driving and negligence. We are committed to ensuring passenger safety and will enforce these measures strictly. The voices of the people. But are these measures enough? Many citizens remain skeptical. The government's actions are a good start, but implementation is key. We need better awareness programs and stricter penalties for violations. We lost a loved one because of negligence. We demand accountability and better safety measures. Conclusion. The way forward. Mobus is an essential part of Bhubaneswar's transportation system, but safety should be the top priority. Here's what can be done to improve things. Solutions for a safer Mobus system. Regular driver training, strict hiring policies, use of AI-based monitoring to track driving behavior, better public awareness about road safety, transparent accident investigations, strict penalties. The solution isn't just in the hands of the authorities. As citizens, we must also follow traffic rules, be cautious, and report reckless driving when we see it. What do you think needs to change? Comment below and let's start a conversation about making our roads safer. Share this video to raise awareness and advocate for safer roads. Follow us for more in-depth investigations into urban safety issues. Like, share, subscribe for more informative content. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next video. Comment below. What measures do you think can make public transportation safer? Let's start a conversation that leads to real change.